In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personalized covers in Notion. Custom covers instantly set the tone of a page. Help you recognize it at a glance and bring your workspace to life. I'll walk you through using your own images, pulling from Unsplash inside Notion, adding GIFs for motion, and then perfectly framing the cover with repositioning. Start by opening the Notion page you want to customize. Then choose Add Cover. If a cover is already there, select Change Cover. To use your own images, pick the Upload option and choose a PNG or JPG file up to 5 megabytes. This size limit keeps pages loading quickly while still looking sharp. If your image is slightly over the limit, consider exporting it at a slightly lower resolution or compressing it before uploading. PNG is great for crisp graphics and logos, while JPG is ideal for photos. Aim for a wide image so it spans the page without stretching, and pick something that reflects the content of the page for instant context. If you don't have the right image on hand, Notion makes it easy to find one with Unsplash built in. Click Change Cover, select Unsplash, and type a keyword that matches your page's theme like minimal, nature, workspace, or vintage. Unsplash images are high quality and free to use, so you can browse confidently. Preview a few options and select the one that complements your page's vibe and your overall workspace aesthetic. Consistency across pages creates a polished, professional feel. To add movement, you can use an animated GIF as your cover. Choose Upload, select a GIF file, and let Notion handle the rest. Subtle animations work best. Think gentle loops, ambient textures, or simple motion. Keep the file size modest so your pages stay responsive, and avoid overly flashy loops that distract from your content. A tasteful animation can add personality without pulling focus. Once your image or GIF is in place, fine-tune the framing. Hover over the cover and click Reposition. Click and drag to move the image within the cover area until the subject sits where you want it, usually centered or aligned to a focal point like text or a logo. This step ensures that faces aren't cropped awkwardly and important details aren't cut off. Take a moment to check how it looks with your page title. Adjust until the composition feels balanced. That's it. Use your own images for a personal touch. Explore Unsplash for beautiful free photos, try a GIF for subtle motion, and always reposition to nail the framing. If you found this helpful, give it a try on a few pages and refine your style as you go. Thanks for watching.